Today, we are taking a look at the Charge Mazda 767B kit from Hasegawa. It's going to be 124 scale curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's What's in the Box. So this variation of the kit was reissued in 2017 with a new box, but the tooling dates back to 1990 when it was initially released as this variation. Let's check it out. And getting started with the body, and you can see it is molded in a nice shade of fluorescent type orange. And now taking a look at parts tree D, which you can see is molded in a nice shade of orange. This is going to be a lot of the, basically any and all of the body pieces that are going to be needed to be in orange. So up here you have the rear wing, the end caps, the lower part of the rear wing here, mirrors, side paneling, and another rear wing option. And then side paneling and the rear taillight panel, I guess we could call it the rear panel with the taillight. And now getting started with parts tree B, which is the chassis parts tree. So you can see what looks like axles are attached to the chassis. And now taking a look at parts tree C, which has the rest of the stuff on it, rest of the parts. There we go. Part of the dash. Suspension piece there. For wing bracing, two different sizes depending on which wing is used. The second piece of the dash, race seat. Then you have radiators, interior door panels, I guess. Over here you have the interior bucket, which is pretty light on, minimal on detail. And now we'll take a look at the roundy round race slicks. Whatever. The roundy rounds. And now we're going to take a look at the wheels and a separate set of brake rotors on their own trees. But first, the wheels. This is parts tree. These are parts tree F for those that are just going to home. And on to the brake rotors on parts tree G. You see the detail on there. And now take a look at the clear parts tree, which you have the front window, the side windows, you have the headlight lenses, the main headlight covers, you have the headlight lenses there, and then tail lights and other pieces there. And now finally the decal sheet and the tire decals. Well, they're actually tire. I believe these are wet transfers, I believe. They say Dunlop. and onto the decal sheet, which you can see is pretty dang full. And all you have to worry about is, well, I guess painting the body orange, and then the decals take care of the rest, the green, and then you have the there. So that is going to do it for this look at the charged Mazda 767B kit from Hasegawa Hobby Kits. So, on that note, thanks for watching.